Today also we are up pretty early and it's really nice to feel that morning chill before the heat sets in. Today however we are not going to the house early in the morning. We are going to be going to Margao, which is the nearest city, to do a little bit of shopping and stuff. I'm just excited because it's a break from the established monotony of this trip. We'll drop in at the house later on.
You won't feel ashamed. Make it seem like you're the one. We both know that's a lie. Wasting all the time I have with you. Maybe I don't know the song right. You just feeling like you know me. Why don't we just try to say that? Every time I know it's always on the table. We know it will be fun.
Sweet potato.
Why listen? I don't know what's on the way. Take time just to do it right. You can.
I love coming to Margao every time because it's very lively. There's just so much happening and it's very old. I just live for these trips and I never really have any specific agenda. I just follow whatever's happening. So this place behind me is called the New Market. I don't know when it was new. It's very much the old market now. Aunty Mary has some fabric shopping to do because she does a lot of like stitching and fabric based crafts. So I'm just really enjoying following mom and her around, and we've been to so many fabric shops now because she wants something specific. So I am along for the ride. So if you were just here for a little trip to Margao, that's actually done, and now we are going back to the regular home renovation. Finally found tiles that I like for the kitchen backsplash, where you kind of tile the walls around the platform. And then I also have a rant coming up, you know, you're warned about that. Are the tiles that I picked out for the kitchen, and I really like them because I was kind of particular about the tiles that I wanted, and it's really hard to find what you like here in Goa, so I ordered these online, and I'm glad they match with what I had in mind. You can see these are basically called ʟᴏ tiles, and they have this like matte textured finish, and they also have like subtle bevels. Like if you see the side, I would have liked if these were stronger, but they taper towards all of the edges, so that's something that appeals to me. Now it's time for the rant I mentioned to you guys, and this is something that I've experienced now since we've started renovating. I'd never really been any part of a major renovation before. I knew it was gonna be like a headache, a learning experience, a little bit frustrating, but also that's why I wanted to make these vlogs, to document the process for myself also, and for you guys. Maybe it's not just entertaining for you, maybe it will be helpful for y'all in the future. Like, I'm not really sure, you know, but something that I've noticed repetitively now is vendors, like they try to force what they want on you, and that can be just really frustrating. Like, I get it now. If I call somebody for grills and I ask him, you know, like, you know, suggest something to me, but that's not what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about these people who you call for some work, and then they try to force you into doing something that they like, and it's like, excuse me, it's my house, I'm paying you, like, don't try to bully me. But they try to bulldoze you into going with their idea, and that's where you have to be really assertive. So we got guys for like backyard grill fencing. He seems like a nice fellow. A few days into his work, he calls us up and he's like, you know, I have this idea for a basket, and like the grill having a basket, it's a whole thing with gold paint, and you know, I really think you guys should do it. So he sent us some pictures of it, and we didn't like it at all. So we were like, no, like, please don't do this, we don't like it, you know, just do what we told you. So he reluctantly agreed. We met him again yesterday, and again he kept on insisting that, oh, you should have done that basket design, it would look nice. Now there's another guy who's actually handling more of our work for this whole thing, and we told him we want to get the kitchen tiles changed, and he was like, okay, I'll get this tile, that tile, it will look nice. But I told him that I'm buying the tile and you just need to do the installation and stuff, because this is something that, you know, I had my ideas for it and I wanted to see that executed. So when he saw the tiles, he started complaining that, oh, they're really small and all, and it's not that big of an area to tile, okay? He's like, oh no, this doesn't look nice, you know, get some nice beautiful one I'll get for you. I'm like, I like this, you know, can you put this, or do I need to get somebody else? He just kept trying to bully me into doing what he wants, and he's trying to tell us that, oh no, you should change this, you should do that, and we're like, we know what we have to do. And I really don't know if it's a sexism thing, if they are seeing two women handling a renovation and it's frustrating to them. I don't know if they would talk to a man like this, but this is just I really hate being rude to people. I hate confrontation, but I realize that sometimes these are necessary evils and I need to get better at it. Got back home to Auntie Mary and Uncle Anthony's house in time for lunch. Again, this is one that we ordered out. There's some chicken fried rice, buff shakuti and buff chili fry. Sannas, and there's jaggery in there.
Yes, �49.
Thank you.
What is saying?
He's giving. Thank you.
अरे दोन छुट्या हम
Let it be. Are you waiting? Can you see it yet?
No,
Even I can't see it.
very close.
That's coming.
It was very long, I think.
I don't know.
It was very long after the airport.
This is a very good system though.
No need to go climb down 3 floors.
The bread. Yay!